Heidi are gonna film our first mukbang. They're tacos.
Yes.
And we have gluten-free tortillas, asparagus, rice, jasmine rice, salsa, teriyaki tofu, guacamole, peppers, onions, corn, kimchi, and nutritional yeast. And you guys want to hear us talk, so we're just gonna eat. Yay!
Oh, we're not talking at all.
I mean, we're gonna talk, but we're gonna like eat.
Right.
Oh,
Yay.
I'm starving.
Me too.
Ooh, I should have put some salsa on. So, this is our first mukbang. I'm hoping I don't run out of storage. I might, but
It's okay. Then it'll just be a practice.
well, I think
We're gonna eat dinner either way.
either way, this is what we're doing.
Thank you.
Yes. So, the cool thing about this is I don't have to edit anything.
Oh,
I just like straight up, like, well, I mean, I could if I really wanted to.
Wait, what if I say something embarrassing?
Then
Which I will.
you'll have to remind me to edit out. And then,
Do you have rice?
oh yes, rice, yay. So today I went to the beach, everyone.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can't get it out.
She fell asleep.
Yes.
Which honestly scares me.
Yeah.
Were you scared when you woke up?
Well, I thought like,
did I give up?
well, I thought for sure someone was gonna steal my stuff, but I was in a really like nicer area, I guess.
Yeah.
So then I kind of like wasn't too scared. Put guacamole on here. It comes off. But so I was kind of scared, but then I kind of wasn't. But I woke up, everything was there. I had like $30 in my
Oh.
thing.
They probably open your wallet and they're gonna $30.
That's all she has to offer.
Yeah.
Okay.
We won't rob her.
She works for Disney.
They knew.
But oh, kimchi's so good.
That was smart. I put my rice on my taco. And they like fajitas.
Oh yeah, fajitas are so good. Do you want anything over here? I'm just gonna put nutritional yeast on everything.
It's crack.
It really is. Oh my
It's
god.
eating crack.
I really love it. Ready for the first bite?
Yeah. Hey, I bet tofu is gonna go.
Oh, it's okay. I ate some before we even started filming. Cheers.
Oh, no. Cheers.
Oh my god.
Oh, I have napkins.
Oh. I think people like when you're just like really gross on your. What happened?
I was gonna wipe my face off with my shirt, like to be really gross, and then I like almost splashed everywhere. Just kidding, everyone. Don't look at that.
Just confused. Oh, sorry, I got a little cold.
Okay.
I was trying to cook everything at like once.
Oh yeah, Brooke made everything. I sat on this couch behind us
And we talked.
with a blanket over my head.
But oh my god, too much. But we talked about each other's days, which I guess we could have waited to do that.
Yeah.
But Heidi worked, I didn't today.
You know, I think that's sunburned right here, on top of my hair.
I got sunburn all over my butt.
Been there.
Not a good time, but I survived. I went to a smoothie place.
It's the cutest smoothie place.
Yeah.
What is it called?
It's called Karma.
Karma.
It's in Clearwater.
It's so cute and like good vibes.
Good vibes. It's like a whole bunch of like young kids that work there. So it's like super chill. I came in and like in my bathing suit, like no one cared. I always feel weird doing that. Because I feel like you should have clothes on. Like after the beach, no one wants to do that.
Right. Well, one time we came back from the beach and we had to go to Office Depot. And Brooke was, and at this point we're in Central Florida, so we're like an hour and a half away from the beach. And Brooke was like, "Can I just go in this?" I was like, "No, you should probably put clothes on."
Yeah. I asked though. I was like, wonder if I could get away with it. Because I really didn't want to. But it's a good thing I did because, like in Central Florida, I think people think Florida, there's beaches everywhere. Like I thought that for the longest time.
Right.
You have to drive to get to the beach.
Yeah, like an hour either way.
Yeah, today it took me like an hour 30 to get there, maybe like an hour and 15 to get back. Because you can live 5 miles away from something, but it's gonna take you 25 minutes to get there.
Especially if you have to get on our favorite road,
I-4.
I-4.
Worst road ever. If you move to Florida, avoid that.
If you move to Central Florida, good luck. You won't be able to avoid it.
No. Oh, that's true. You really can't.
Live there. I feel like I live on I-4.
I do too.
And then I visit here.
Here, yep. Same.
Most of my time is on I-4.
Unless it's coming from, like going to the beach, like to Clearwater, it's fine.
Yeah.
But like going towards like
Going west.
parks.
Going west after you're west of Disney. You're okay.
Right. But like our exit to get into our apartment, oh my god,
So bad.
for no reason. Because we don't live anywhere special.
Right.
So I don't understand why it takes so long. This is so good.
Thanks for making dinner.
You're welcome. I'll take this one. They're all stuck together. Oh, I haven't had any.
Those are really good. Did you put lemon on this? I like it.
I love asparagus. We are filming in the dark, if you're wondering.
It's also lightning outside.
Yeah, 101. Can I say that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take some of this. Sorry.
There you go.
I'm starving. I've eaten so much today. Actually, I really didn't.
I was like, have you?
Well, I went to Publix. I feel like I go to Publix more than I actually like go like visit the parks. I love food. I'd rather like be grocery shopping for my food than I'd rather be grocery shopping than like I can't even think.
Anything else?
Than anything else, really. Like,
See, I'd rather be eating than anything else. I don't really like grocery shopping.
yeah, I think that's where we differ.
Yeah.
I like find like it fun to go to grocery stores. Like yesterday after work, I had to go get my oil changed by CP Housing. So there's a Whole Foods in that area.
There is.
So that's where I went. I went to Whole Foods right after because I was bored and I didn't want to come home yet because I knew I was gonna like make myself like work out.
This was yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I was at Epcot.
Yeah. Yeah, because I think I was like, where are you?
Yeah.
Because it's not often we get off work like early enough to do stuff.
Yeah. You guys are good rice.
Yes.
I grabbed like green shrimps.
Thank you. I love food. Oh my god. Yeah. So I hate coming home like so early to the point where I'm like, I don't know what to do.
Me too. I was gonna go to DAC today after work, but I was tired.
Heidi, it's like, I give her so much credit for being able to do that. I cannot go to the parks after work.
I really would have, but I was so sweaty and it just rained, so I was like,
Yeah.
my hair was wet and it was gross. And I left my clothes in the car, so then I had to change in the car where it's also hot.
Yeah.
So,
Like even hotter.
yeah. Like, let's go home. And I came home and slept.
And I slept on the beach,
Oh, yeah.
which was very nice. But, oh, story time. So these two girls came up to me at the beach.
Oh, this is a uplifting, happy
Yes.
story.
They came up to me at the beach and they were like, and I was by myself and they were together. And they're like, you look really pretty. I'm like, let me take a picture of you. And they took a picture of me on my phone. And then, I mean, maybe they just wanted me to take pictures of them. But anyway, like they could have just been like, can you take a picture of us? But they like complimented me, took pictures of me, and like retook them if I didn't like them. Isn't that amazing?
Girls, helping girls,
Yes.
supporting girls,
And like,
gassing up girls.
seriously, it was amazing. We took pictures of each other on the beach. I didn't get their, I should have asked what their Instagrams were.
Aw.
But I know they told me that they were like just vacationing. So,
Never mind. I was like, oh, we could have had friends. Never
yeah.
mind.
Nope, I don't care anymore. No, they were so nice though.
Maybe they'll see this.
Mm. Or my Instagram picture.
Oh yeah. That's more likely.
Yeah. Wait, I just spit. You guys like that, right? Do we have any tea?
About like what? I mean, I never have tea, but I wish I did.
Me and Heidi don't have tea. We just listen to it.
Mm. Our neighbors.
Oh yeah.
So we saw a fireworks show on the 4th of July
Yeah.
because our neighbors, am I allowed to say this?
Yeah.
Our neighbors below us were setting off fireworks, like right on across the street from like our balcony,
Mhm.
and that wasn't the fireworks show. Fireworks show was our other neighbors getting mad and they were like yelling
Mhm.
and pissed, and Brooke and I were just sitting on our patio there, like listening.
Right. Like not saying a freaking
Right.
thing.
No.
Well, the neighbor underneath us kept like instigating things. She was like, "You guys like the show, right?
Right.
You guys want us to continue?" And we were like, "Yeah." But it was annoying because they did like get security
Right.
on the people that were doing the fireworks.
They made it a really big deal. It was the 4th of July.
Mhm.
We were celebrating all nations, but mostly America.
If you know what that's from, stay subscribed. If not,
Yeah, if you don't know that reference, unfollow Brooke.
unsubscribe from me. I don't need you on here.
Just kidding, because no one will know that.
Yeah.
Tell your subscribers.
I love that. That's like one of my favorite. Sam the Eagle.
Sam Eagle, love him.
Oh, Sam the Eagle or just Sam Eagle?
Just Sam Eagle.
Yeah, I know that part. Oh my god, this rice is so good. Well, it's probably not. It's probably
It is.
just
No, it is good.
that I'm starving.
Yeah, I am also very hungry. That was very good.
I'm not done.
The tofu turned out well too.
Oh yeah, tofu is good. I love tofu. I just recently discovered, guys, how to make it.
Yeah. I'm just too lazy to make anything.
I usually am, but I'm trying to like get myself out of that habit because I just find myself eating the same things every day.
I have this recipe for this stuff. It's like vegan cheese dip. I'm gonna make it for you someday because it's like the greatest thing I've ever eaten in my life.
Oh, you've had it?
And it's yeah. It's my aunt's. It's not her recipe, but like she gave me the recipe, and it's amazing. It's called like life affirming queso or something, vegan queso, and it really is. It is life affirming. Like I don't know why I'm alive, and then I had that, and I was like, oh, that's fine.
What's in it?
I think it's like the base is like cashews,
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make it, that's my goal. What is today?
8.
Before the end of July. That's where I'm at in my life. I'm making this goal to make one dish before the end of the month, and it's the 7th. So the next 3 weeks.
Guys,
and that's how I lost my virginity. Oh wait, was it not going? You guys missed a good story. I'll tell it next time.
My phone ran out of, or my camera ran out of storage. So if it cuts off again, I'm not doing it.
That'll be the end.
That'll be the end, and I'll say like, oh no. I just hope it doesn't cut out. I need a better memory card. Oh, this is all vegan if you didn't know that. Because we are vegan, if you don't know. I've just assumed like people that watch our stuff like already know.
No, yeah. Well, I thought that too. The other day, Brooke went live on Instagram, and everyone was like, "Try this food," and it was all like cheese and chimichangas and
like
No, you didn't know. Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Are we gonna eat even more?
Out of this?
Yeah. Oh, you know what I really want?
Halo top. This is what I really want. I want ice cream. It's been a long day and it's hot.
I want ice cream.
It was hot today. Look at my watch tan. Wait, I don't know if you can see it. You can definitely see it.
Oh my god.
Also, for anyone who says redheads don't, or I don't get tan, look at the difference. Also, farmer's tan. All right.
Well, what was I gonna say? Actually, yeah, eat anything. I want that espresso stuff.
Oh.
Oh my god, it was so good.
Dark chocolate covered espresso beans.
You want any more of this?
No, that's good.
You sure?
Yeah, thanks, Google.
Oh my god, Heidi got the best things ever. Really. Truly. Oh my god. We got them at, or she got them at Trader Joe's.
Pretty good.
Trader
Joe's.
Oh.
TJ Joe's, as I called it the other day.
It was so, we like sat in the car because it was like pouring outside.
Yeah.
We just like ate them.
And then we were like, oh, we gotta drive all the way home now. And we knew where we were in like a minute.
Yeah. We were right by CP Housing and we're like, why did we not go here all the time?
Right, I did not realize it was that close.
And we live by a YMCA too, which I called.
Yeah.
I was gonna go work out there yesterday.
Oh yeah.
And they were like, we don't give out guest cards.
You don't do Dave, they don't do Dave at like YMCA.
Yeah.
Central Florida. The ones in Nashville do it.
I was like, why? This is Central Florida. It's not like there's tourists all the time here.
Right, exactly. They would make money if they just did like a like a $5 day pass. They make so much money.
In Planet, I called because I was like, I'll go there because I just wanted to go to a gym. $10 a day.
10? What? At home it's 5. And you get the first time free.
Right, because I was like, that doesn't make sense because if a month is only 10, why would a day be 10?
Right. That's dumb. I would spend $5. I would probably spend $10 to go to the Y for a day. They have a sauna.
I would do
And a
that.
steam room. I probably wouldn't even work out. I would just go sit in the sauna. I would go at like 7 a.m. I would leave at like 8. Come out like the raisin. All shriveled up.
You would lose so much weight.
Oh wait. I guess I wouldn't shrivel up if I was just in the sauna. I'd be shriveled if I was in the steam room. What would happen to me? I would just
You would lose so many calories.
burn up. Yeah, I don't know.
You know what I did not do one time during this whole thing?
Huh.
Take a sip of water.
I finished mine.
Oh my god. I'm so happy. It's pretty healthy too. People love that. In Mukbang.
Your plate looked a lot cleaner, right? I still had rice on it. So it didn't go as
And I like scraped it up.
I would lick your plate, but I don't think it's gross.
That was good. I mean, that was pretty healthy.
Yeah.
Some of it's for work tomorrow too. So we didn't eat everything. But I still have to cook more tofu for work. Yeah, guys. It's a lot of sodium, I feel like.
We live in Florida, we sweat a lot.
We do, especially tomorrow.
Yeah. Actually, I won't sweat as much. I work tomorrow night.
Oh, true. I'm gonna die
But
tomorrow.
I'm gonna do stuff in the morning, I
You still wanna go out tonight?
think. Oh. Do you?
If you do, yeah.
It's up to you. I do want to do. Comment below, because you guys won't know, because we'll like already have gone out tonight
Yeah.
when this gets posted. Comment below if you think we went out. And I guess if you like post something, people will know.
Right. Don't look at my Instagram.
But, yeah. Don't try to like figure out when we film this. Just comment below if you think, based on what we look like right now. And the people we are.
Do you think we'll go out? I mean, honestly, we probably should because we don't do anything. I mean, we do stuff.
We're very not social people. Do you want the last asparagus?
I'll probably just take it to work.
Okay.
Unless you want it.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. Should we go out?
That's you.
Also, guys, what you see right here is the only furniture that we have in our entire living room. We don't have TV. We have boxes right here. But we have whatever that is across from us.
We have a plastic tub that uses a TV stand right now, but we don't have a TV, so our internet router is sitting on top of it.
Yep. We have a pretty big like living space. Well, I don't know why. I mean, it's supposed to be a kitchen and a living room, but
Right, and like a dining area. But we eat in our rooms or on the floor here.
right. Or we don't eat here at all.
Yeah.
We're about to eat a
Or
lot.
yeah, or we're just not here. Yeah, we do have to eat a lot. Shout out to Market on South.
Hell yeah, you are what? Like you're the only reason why I'm still alive.
That might be why we moved here.
Honestly,
Like we had all these reasons why we moved here, and now we're realizing like, oh, this isn't. It was because of Market on
it
South.
really was because I can't think of any other reason
Right.
why I moved here.
If you're ever in Central Florida and you go to Market on South, get the Death Bar.
Yes.
And your life will be exponentially better than it was before. I don't
So
care if
much
you
better.
think your life is good. It's not.
It's not.
It's not. You have a sucky life.
Right.
You haven't had the Death Bar.
You have to have it. It's it really has like changed everything in my life.
I have to stretch out my legs.
What time is it?
Let me check my watch hand.
7:43.
7:43.
So my window is closing for I do intermittent fasting.
I do not do that.
So I stop eating at a certain time.
I kind of do it where I just don't happen to. I don't like eating in the morning. It makes my. I don't know. I'm not hungry in the morning.
Yeah, me either.
So I'd rather have 2 like big meals than like smaller meals throughout the day. So I don't usually eat till like lunchtime. But I don't do the where you like stop at night. I don't know her. Don't know what that is.
I only do it because then I will eat literally all night. And also what I used to do at home is I wouldn't eat like pretty much like almost at all. Like I would eat right before I go to work. I'd have my coffee in the morning. I would eat like right before I go to work. And then I wouldn't eat at all until I got home from work, and I would just eat everything.
Yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing lately. I need to stop.
You know, I checked and made sure. I was like, do we have any more donuts left? Donuts are like gross.
Yeah.
Couldn't do it. Should we go out tonight, guys? I feel like socially we should.
I mean, should we? Will we? You know, like,
Yeah.
we should probably.
But
Which, like, it's really, like, you're at a very specific point in your adult life when you really should go out.
Yeah.
Usually you shouldn't. I mean, not usually you shouldn't, but, like, usually you don't need to. We probably need to.
I think we should, right?
Yeah. I have to,
Heidi said yes.
I have to shower and shave.
She said not until like 10.
Where are we going?
Do you want me to ask her? Oh, well, I should, right?
Right, I mean, if we're going.
Are we? Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Like, if we want to wind up there, we'll have to know where.
Aren't we like the funnest friends ever? Oh, also, I think everyone just thinks it's us two that live together.
We have another roommate.
Yeah, we have a third roommate. A third. We have a third. Her name's Lily, and we adore her.
I love Lily.
Yeah.
She's a Tennessean,
Yeah, they're both from Tennessee.
as I am.
I'm not, but like we're all north of Florida.
Yeah, well,
I mean,
everyone
everyone. No one actually lives here.
Literally everything is, everything in the United States. Except
What?
Hawaii.
Hawaii?
I would have to look at
In
a map.
Texas?
Does Texas go down more southern than Florida?
Oh, does it?
I
I
have
don't
no
know.
idea. Hold on, we're about to learn some geography. That we should definitely already know.
Heidi knows a lot more than I do. But yeah, Lily is our other roommate. And I also like how this says that this is great for vegetarians.
The word vegan was coined a lot later than vegetarian.
Oh, true.
If you're wanting to go vegan or you are vegan and you want a book to read, there's a book called The World Peace Diet by, I want to say his name is Will Tuttle, but just look up World Peace Diet and you'll find the book. And I would say it's like,
Yeah.
I'll see.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not lazy to edit, so that's staying in there too.
I would say it's maybe like 20% BS, but there's a lot of like good facts and stuff about being vegan and veganism. That one isn't one of the really good facts, that the word vegan was coined a lot later than.
But that makes sense. Because they really are different things. No one understands, like not no one, I don't want to say that, but a lot of people don't understand the difference.
Right. I can't tell. First of all, everyone, I'm using Snapchat as my map of America. I think Hawaii is more, yeah, it's more southern than Florida.
Dang.
But Texas,
We're further down.
well, Florida is, us personally
I know.
are not, yeah.
Also, if you're ever going to go to Florida and you don't have any draw to like Disney World, like working there wise, move to the West Coast. It's beautiful. That's where like everyone vacations. The Clearwater and stuff.
Yeah, so the West is the Gulf.
Yeah.
It's a lot different. See, I kind of like the East. Well, I haven't been to the East Coast beaches, but I've been to like South Carolina beaches and stuff
Yeah.
like that. I think it's cool because there are bigger waves.
Oh yeah, there were when I went to Coco.
Yeah, I would like to learn to surf. I never will because I'm scared of sharks. Actually, I'm not that afraid of sharks. I'm scared of alligators, which they don't live in the ocean. But still, they impede my ability to learn to surf because I'm afraid of them. That didn't make sense.
But she's not afraid of sharks. She hasn't mentioned that yet.
I'm not afraid of sharks.
But ocean sharks.
Right. I'm afraid of the ocean. I'm just afraid. I'm just afraid, period.
But she'll go skydiving.
Oh, yes. I will. I want to go skydiving.
Never in my life. I mean, maybe. Real like I would have to go first. Like if we went together, I would have to jump first, like with my person.
Yeah.
Like
I would want to go tandem. That way, at least if I die, someone else is dying with me. That sounds so horrible. But like,
wait, people go by themselves?
I think you have to be trained.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, if you're just like going once or like going for fun, I think you have to do tandem.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I would have to.
Yeah, I really want to. I probably will before the year ends.
I'm gonna go support.
It is a little scary because I'll probably do it in Florida, and I've talked to you about this. I feel like I don't want to offend a lot of Floridians, but people in Florida are a little less competent than the rest of the world at everything. So I feel like going skydiving here versus somewhere else, it'll be a little less safe here.
True.
But it just adds to the thrill.
The thrill and the expense.
Yeah. No shade at Florida, but
yeah,
like,
no
a lot
shade.
of shade.
No tea, no shade. But it's true. We say that about everything.
Oh, we talk a lot of crap about Florida.
No one can crap on Florida unless it's like if you don't live in Florida and you like talk badly about it, I'm gonna get mad.
Yeah,
like,
I'll like defend it.
Me too.
But I talk badly about it all day.
All the time. All the time. Oh, we're running out of film. Okay, guys, we're running out of film, so we're gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.
And this is how I